now that the renovations on the house are basically done, shelves were kind of the last thing on the docket, and those are up. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. Black iron pipe shelving. It's a good look. We bought a couch for the living area. It's like one of those sectional, modular sectional deals. Turns out, some assembly required. So I'm gonna go pick it up. Comes in little boxes, and from my understanding, I guess you just kind of hope it looks the way you want it to look. Well, we're gonna Honey, I got the couch. You wanna help me clean? We gotta clean before we build this. Hello? Son of a... One hammer, sir.
How do I do it? Like good? I don't know.
Have a seat, woman.
It's really costly. You try.
It's a little small this way.
Alright, we're done.
Alright, that's it.
Wait, hold on. Let's watch Harry Potter.
Okay, you have to say the thing. This is the end of the video.
If you like it, like it. If you love it, share it. And if you...
No.
No, you
got
something
it.
about subscribing.
Keep going.
And...
Always
trust your guide.
see you bye.
See you bye. Wait, what's the... When
That's
am I at
perfect.
subscribing? Isn't there a piece about subscribing? Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And always trust your guide.